Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. I'm Sandy, and I'm so happy you are joining me here. Today, I'm going to show you how to make several high-end looking table decor pieces by upcycling Dollar Tree bowls, vases, and candle holders. We will be using a mixed medium of both glass and plastic, and you will see how beautiful and elegant each piece turns out. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would also love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button and bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. All the materials used in this DIY video is from Dollar Tree unless otherwise stated. For our first table decor piece, we will need a large and a small size silver plastic bowl. This one from the Dollar Tree has a scalloped edging to the bowl and has a mirror or chrome-like finish, making it quite unique. The larger size comes in a 2-pack and the smaller size comes in a 4-pack. We will also need some silver plastic spoons and some small clear round gem stickers and our handy dandy glue gun. My glue gun was purchased from Amazon. Now to begin our first project, we will start by taking the silver plastic spoons and snap off the round part of the spoon from the arm part. We will need to do this for 12 spoons. Once done, set the round parts aside for future project. For today, we will only be using the arm part of the spoon. Next, adhere a row of the gem stickers to the length of the spoon arm. Then use some hot glue to adhere one spoon arm horizontally centered across the smaller silver bowl, one on each of the 4 sides of the bowl. Then take the larger silver bowl and repeat the process except add some clear gem stickers to either side of each of the spoons on each of the 4 sides of the bowl. Next, apply some hot glue to the bottom of the smaller bowl and then adhere it to the center bottom of the larger bowl. The final step is to use some hot glue to adhere a string of silver beaded necklace to cover the area where the smaller and larger bowl meet. And there you have it, our first glam bowl is completed. The mirror-like finish on the bowl gives such a beautiful high-end look to this piece, and no one would guess it only cost a couple of dollars to make. If you're enjoying this DIY so far, I would love it if you would support my channel by hitting the like button and leave a comment. For our second decor piece, we will need one medium-sized clear plastic bowl. The one I'm using comes in a pack of 2. We will be using the second one for a subsequent decor piece. We will also need a clear glass candle votive holder. The one I'm using actually comes in a pack of 4. And similar to our first decor piece, we will continue to use the embellished spoon arms, using some hot glue to adhere the spoon arms vertically around the medium-sized plastic bowl. You can adhere as many or as few as you want. For mine, I'm using 15 by adhering them in sets of 3 for a total of 5 sets spaced evenly around the bowl. Then apply some hot glue to the bottom of the glass candle votive holder and adhere it to the bottom center of the embellished plastic bowl. And that's it! Our second decor piece is finished. This one is simple yet elegant. For our third decor piece, we will be using the second medium-sized clear plastic bowl from the 2-pack. We will also need a smaller clear plastic bowl. The one I have here comes in a 12-pack. We will also need a pack of clear glass marbles, some Mod Podge, and some silver glitter. For the silver glitter, you can use the Dollar Tree version or you can use larger glitter sprinkles available from Hobby Lobby. Around the outer area of the plastic bowl, we will be using some hot glue to adhere the flat round glass marbles. When applying the hot glue, the best way to ensure the glue goes on invisible is to apply a dollop of the glue to the center of the flat marble and then gently press the marble down against the clear plastic bowl. Then take the small plastic bowl and apply some Mod Podge to the outer area. Then sprinkle silver glitter evenly onto the Mod Podge. Once the first coat of glitter is applied, wait about 15 minutes to dry before applying the second coat of glitter. Once the second coat of Mod Podge and glitter has been applied and dried, then go in with a final coat of Mod Podge to set all the glitter in place. The Mod Podge will dry clear, allowing the silver glitter to really shine. The last step for this piece is to apply some hot glue to the bottom of the small plastic bowl and then adhere it to the larger bowl that has the glass marbles applied. And that's it, our third decor piece is finished. For our last decor piece, we will need an extra large round clear plastic bowl and some silver rhinestone ribbon, which I found on Amazon. Simply use some hot glue to apply the rhinestone ribbon to the upper rim of the large plastic bowl. And that's it. This bowl is ready to showcase any bowl fillers you choose to fill it with. And there you have it. All 4 of our table decor pieces are completed. Look how stunning and beautiful they are. The best part is how easy and affordable each one was to make, and they each cost only a couple of dollars. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.